Glamo Squad, welcome back to another moving series vlog style. It's Yeda here. Before I get into this vlog video today, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also tell your friends to subscribe, that way you can join the Glamo Squad family. Today is Thursday and I caught off work today because Comcast is finally coming back to install my cable and Wi-Fi. They came last week. It was a big misunderstanding. I was not aware that they were coming, so I was not here to let them in, and they left, and they made me wait a whole nother week for them to come back and install my stuff. So they're finally coming today. Pretty much what I'm going to be doing today is I still got a few boxes to unpack. You can see on my floor I got about 3 boxes right there, but I still got some boxes to unpack, put some things away. I need to clean up a little bit, and yeah, wait for the cable guy to come to install my stuff. So there's a few items that I need to put into place. I still need to, there's a lot that I have to do with my apartment. I know you guys are excited and anxious to see what I do in my space, and I'm super excited for you all to see too. So I'll be doing like updates here and there. So I'll show you right now my room, what updates I need to do. So right there, I need to put 2 pictures there. Right now I got this mirror here. I don't know if I want to keep that mirror there. I'm like 50-50 on it. I still have to get my, dresser under control here. So once I get my TV, it's going to go here. I don't know if I'm going to keep this mirror right here. But yeah. Bathroom. I still got some boxes in the cabinets that I need to put away. Kitchen. I still need to get bar stools to go there. So yeah, it's still a lot that I have to do. Sorry, let me go back to my room. It's noisy. I got that patio door open, but it's still a lot of stuff that I have to do with like my studio and stuff. So what I have decided to do is do like room by room instead of doing a whole apartment tour. So you guys will be able to see like a room tour, bathroom tour, kitchen tour, living room, the whole shebang. And then at the end, I might bring like a overall, once I put all the final touches on my apartment, and probably do like a really big apartment tour. So yeah, today, like I said, I'm just going to be cleaning up, unboxing a few more things, possibly be putting a few things up in different spaces around the house. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. This box here is like home decor stuff besides this, but home decor stuff. So majority of this stuff will be going into like my living room once I get my coffee table and stuff. Like this picture, I don't know what I'm gonna put this picture at for right now, but I got hats and purses that I need to put up as well. So let's see where this can go. Maybe, I don't know, maybe let's put it here for now. think what I want to do, I don't know if I'm feeling this for real, but I want to get a lamp here to kind of like overcome, like be over on top of that. I can't even say my words right, but yeah, I want to get a lamp to put like in this little hole there. And I still have to get a chair here. I have this mirror. I have this that I want to, I think I want to go like on this wall. I'm gonna get down some because I'm short. But I think I want it to go on that wall. So like when you first come in, when you leave, you can kind of see yourself, you know? All right, let's go ahead and pull out this handy dandy toolkit because I'm about to hang this mirror up. All right, here we go. So yeah, grab my handy dandy hammer. I got a little nail here. And this mirror, like I said, is gonna go right by the front door, so I'll show y'all how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks. So when you come in the front door, you be like, and it's kind of short. I put it kind of low because I need to be able to see myself. Okay. So yeah, I think I like it. All right, guys. So now what I am about to do is to clean up this room before this cable guy come, because he definitely gonna have to come in my room. He gonna be like, what the world? Did a tornado come through? Clean bedroom. My dresser is empty. I still got these boxes here, but I'm gonna get those out of here very soon before the cable guy comes. This here is some dresses that I can't fit anymore, so they're gonna be going to the Goodwill. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this vlog. Hopefully you all enjoy hanging out with me this afternoon. I will be bringing more home updates throughout time, over time. Like I said, I am gonna be doing like a room tour, living room tour, kitchen tour, bathroom tour, all the type of tours that y'all want. I will bring them to y'all. Let me know down in the comments below what you want to see next, or what room you think I should do first. Yeah, so I still have to put a load in the washer and wait for the cable guy to come. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out. It was fun hanging out with y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe. Tell your family and friends to subscribe. Also, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And I will see y'all in the next vlog.